All right, so the first thing we need to do is get our site up and going so we can start working on it, right? So you can either use what you made last class, especially if you did something kind of custom where you wrote your own stuff in it, totally fine. Or you can use what I made in the last lab. So I included both. If you actually look up that way, you'll see, or actually, I guess it's this way because you're looking at the thing, but in my screen, it's up this way. There's the one that says one-page site responsive lab materials. That's the entire lab material. Like that's the entire website. You can either start with that, or if you want just the pictures, you can select the pictures here and download that. And all you're going to want to do is if you download the images, just make sure that you put them into the images folder of your own. Or if you want to use your own images, that's fine as well. But they're there either way. So wherever you were at, you can use one of those two. I'm just going to click on this and download it. That's automatically going to go to my downloads folder, which you can see here, right? So then what I'm going to do is just unzip it. So right click, extract all, just so you can see, extract all. I'm going to extract, and there it is there. And then the last thing I'm going to do is actually just go ahead and I'm just going to put it onto my desktop so that way I have access to it. Okay, so there it is right there. And if you look inside of it, it's just the basic stuff that we already had. So there's the index, there's CSS, which currently has nothing in it. JS has nothing in it. The images, you'll see that this has the images. It's what we made last time. So it has the original image that we used, this one here, as well as these additional images, which is what we're going to use now. So again, if you use your own, just put yours in that images folder, and here's the index. If I double click on it, you'll see this is what we made last time, and we're just going to kind of build off of that. So I'm just going to right click on it, and I'm going to go to open with, and I'm going to choose Visual Studio Code. Okay, or you can click on Visual Studio Code, go from that direction. Let's close out of that, and let's bring you over here. Come on. There we go. I can do Visual Studio Code, and I can actually just click and drag it right in there. That will work as well. Or you could just do File, Open File, and then just navigate to that file and select it and hit Open. Either way, that will work. Okay. And then the next one, what we're going to do is actually start, working on it.